Once again, when working with architectural scenes with window glazing, you're going to want to do a couple of optimizations here so that your renders will go more quickly. For example, you're probably not going to want the glazing to cast shadows. They're simple pieces of glass and they're not going to cast a shadow onto the ground. If I do a quick render of what we have here, though, you will see that by default, even though the glazing is almost completely transparent here, we're seeing a shadow being cast on the ground. So how are we going to deal with that? Well, there's a couple different ways. I could go into the light and exclude the object, but it's easier actually to just go into the object properties and tell it to not cast shadows. And that'll work for all of the scene lights all at once. So if you have 10 lights in your scene and they're all striking a piece of glass, you can say, I don't want that piece of glass to cast shadows at all from any lights. So just simply select whatever object, right click and go into the object properties. And right here you will see cast and receive shadows. And this is a global setting for all of your lights. So I might say I want it to receive shadows but not cast shadows. Well, for glazing, probably you don't want it to cast or receive shadows. Click OK. And then do another rendering, and you will see that the window is not casting any shadow at all. Now, of course, you will see that the window frame is not casting a shadow either. So in this case, what I probably want to do is create a separate object for the glazing and tell that to not cast shadows and the frame to continue to cast shadows. Any way you slice it, you just need to make sure that window glazing is not casting or receiving shadows, and that way your renders will go much more quickly.